Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your Instagram messages are not working. If you're trying to send messages, it's stuck on sending or failed to send. I'm going to show you possible ways to fix your Instagram messages problem. So let's get start the video. Let's fix this issue if you're facing this issue. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So guys, if you're facing Instagram messages problem, then do these steps to fix your Instagram problem. So let's start the video. So first of all guys, open your iPhone setting, then simply scroll down, click on general, then click on background app refresh. Now find the Instagram app and turn it off, then close it. Now the next step is go to your Instagram, then sign out your Instagram from your mobile, click on log out. Now log in your Instagram again. So guys, after login again, now try to send the message. Let's see if it's work or not. So if it's still not working, the next step is go to your app store, then go to search bar, search for the Instagram app. Now click on app and click on update. Make sure you have updated version of Instagram on your mobile. So first of all, update your Instagram. Also make sure that your iPhone or mobile is on the latest version. So guys, after updating Instagram, your problem will be solved. So if you are facing this problem still, then go to your setting, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and just wait for a few seconds here. Then guys, simply click on the search button in the top right corner and search for the Instagram, and then simply click on delete app and install it again. So hope this video helps guys. Thanks for watching.